Hi friends, I am Saish Lavande. Today I would like to share my personal experiences which happened in one of the schools where I was invited as a guest speaker to speak on leadership for the students of standard 9th and 10th. In the audience there were some teaching staff members and the principal. During the course of my talk, I asked the audience, who amongst you think you are a leader? I repeated the question. Who amongst you present here in this packed hall of around 150 think that you are a leader? There was a total silence in the hall. It was a pin drop silence. Including the teachers and the principal, no one was speaking out. After a few moments, and with my persuasion of asking this question again and again, 3 or 4 more times, a voice came from a backbencher. Of course, backbenchers are much creative people. He said, "Me, sir," and raised his hand. The moment the first one spoke, the second voice came, "Me, sir." From the middle portion, the third voice came, "Me too, sir." One by one, all the students raised their hands. Looking at the students raising their hands, the teachers too raised their hands. And almost entire hall had raised their hands except the principal. Till now, the principal was just watching the entire audience. Not to left out, the principal raised his hand. The moment the principal raised his hand, all the hands of the students as well as the teachers came down. I was a bit stunned. I asked what happened. There was no answer. I asked the second time, what happened? There was no answer. It was total, again, pin drop silence. Friends, if you think what would have happened in the minds of the children and the teachers, I never asked them, but what I feel is that the teachers and the students must have felt when the head of the institution, who is the highest officer in the institution, feels that he is a leader, all the rest are just followers. Friends, this is just an incident which occurred. Friends, from this small incident, there are 3 leadership points which we can take out. 1, every individual is a born leader. Leadership can be achieved by improving one's own skills. One need not be the head of the institution or someone great to be a leader. The second, there are certain unique qualities which can be attained, and when properly applied and trained towards it, your goals can be achieved. You become successful and you tends to become a leader. The third, in leadership, a leader is a person who takes his team together with him to achieve the set goals. He is one who never says, "I am the boss and you need to obey as I tell you." On the other hand, he just speaks opposite. He is the one who will first ask you the suggestions from all the teammates, evaluate it and arrive at a proper decision. In our present incident, all have leadership qualities. Only little bit of sharpening is required. Well friends, be a leader. Each one of you have an ability to be a leader. But what need to be done? You have to feel like a leader, walk like one, behave, believe, visualize like a leader, and work towards it to be one. Thank you for watching this video. This is Saish Lavande signing off now. Thank you.